Have you ever wondered why we are named Five Branches University? Have you ever wondered why we are named Five Branches University? Yes, of course. These are the 5 branches of traditional Chinese medicine. Come and join us and experience all these 5 branches in one afternoon. Our coming open house on June 25th is on a Sunday from 1 to 5 p.m. We will be having TCM diagnosis, Qigong. You can also join us for food as medicine. There will be a workshop on this. And if you are interested in tuina, there will be another 1 hour long workshop on tuina. Alright, so for students, prospective students, if you are interested in our education, join me at 2 p.m. where I will do a short presentation on our education. Our interns, the senior student, they will also be giving free acupuncture to the public, and on that afternoon from 2 to 5 under the supervision of 2 instructors. Don't miss this fabulous experience. Check our website on how to join. I'll be seeing you on June 25th. Until then, goodbye.